Please change here for the Osaka Loop Line and for the Yamatoji, Kintetsu, Subway, and Hankai lines. After leaving Tennoji, we will arrive at the Shin Osaka Terminal. There is no exit between cars number 3 and 4. Passengers in car number 3, please use the exit at the back. Passengers in car number 4, please use the exit at the front.